Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin with two essentials, network and account. Make sure your XStream box is on the same Wi-Fi as your phone and updated. This prevents pairing failures. Next, sign into your Airtel ID on the set-top box so preferences sync. Open Settings, then Voice or Apps, and select Google Assistant to start integration. You'll see prompts to link Google account. Follow them now. This step enables voice control and lets Assistant access your calendar, devices, and preferences for personalized responses. Once done linking, you handle permissions so Assistant works correctly. You'll get an on-screen code, Open Assistant. Google, Com or the Google Home app, enter the code, and approve the Airtel XStream device. Make sure to grant microphone access so voice input works, and allow location if you want local results. Then enable media and smart home device control so Assistant can launch apps and control lights or speakers. This creates a trusted link between your Google account and the set-top box. Now test voice control with simple commands. Say, "Hey Google, open YouTube," or "Play Stranger Things on Netflix." If responses are slow or absent, restart the XStream box and your router. That clears temporary connection errors. If problems persist, reauthorize the account via Settings Voice and confirm microphone permission in System Apps. One key troubleshooting tip. Verify the set-top box's time and region match your Google account settings. Mismatch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.